I'm Liza.
And I am Tharik. We are the students of MSI following the Diploma in Hospitality and Tourism Management.
So, as part of the tourism industry, we take pride in celebrating World Tourism Day, which is on the 27th of September.
Every year, the UNWTO sets a theme, and this year's theme is Rethinking Tourism. And we, the students of MSI, will be taking this opportunity to promote cycling tourism in Sri Lanka.
So, in order to promote cycling tourism, we have hosted a cycling parade on the 27th of September, which will begin in Water's Edge and end at MSI from 8 am onwards.
And we would like to invite all of you to join with us in the cycling parade and the after events.
Hope to see you there.
Stay tuned.